Welcome to Buckeye Bloomstead. We have a short video for you. How aware are you of the impacts of climate change on your garden? It's an issue that's been gaining traction in recent years, with scientists and gardeners alike noting significant shifts in plant growth zones. According to a 2023 report by the United States Department of Agriculture, warming temperatures are causing these zones to shift, affecting plant growth and survival. The importance of considering hardiness zones, planting dates, and disease risks when gardening has never been more emphasized, especially for perennial plants. Perennial plants, those that live for more than 2 years, are particularly vulnerable to these shifting zones. Perhaps you're wondering, what exactly is a hardiness zone? Well, in simple terms, a hardiness zone is a geographic area defined by climatic conditions, where a specific category of plant life is capable of growing. It's essentially the coldest place a plant can grow. The USDA's Plant Hardiness Zone Map is a tool that gardeners use to determine which plants are most likely to thrive at a location. Fruit trees, particularly stone fruits such as peaches, plums, and cherries, are also susceptible to temperature fluctuations. Milder winters, another result of climate change, are leading to the expansion of insect pests and plant pathogens. Interestingly, a report from the United Nations Environment Program in 2023 highlighted this issue, noting that climate change accelerates the evolution of resistance by increasing bacterial growth rates and the spread of resistant genes. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are ways we can adapt to these changes. One of these is reforestation, as advocated by Jad Daly and Mark Benioff in a CNN article. They emphasize the role of trees in combating climate change, highlighting forests' significant carbon sequestration capacity, their ability to absorb and store carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas. So what does all this mean for you and your garden? As gardeners, we have a role to play in mitigating the effects of climate change. By understanding hardiness zones and adjusting our planting dates and practices accordingly, we can ensure the survival and growth of our plants. We can also do our part by planting more trees, reducing our carbon footprint, and advocating for policies that address climate change. To sum it up, climate change is indeed shifting plant growth zones, and this has significant implications for our gardens. It's crucial to stay informed and adapt our gardening practices to ensure the health and survival of our plants. And remember, every small step we take can make a difference in the fight against climate change. We hope that you found value in this video short. If you did, please subscribe to our channel to stay updated on great new videos here on the Buckeye Bloomstead channel.